I'll slap you. Precious, leave there. Leave there, you cannot leave there.
Go. If I give you, go. You do your potting. Look at your potting.
No, but we are at LGE Primary School. And we also discovered that amongst the people, some of them have no sandals, which we provided for them as well. Thank you very much.
Congratulations and God bless you. And you guys should excel in your educational pursuit. Congratulations.
You are welcome in Jesus' name. On behalf of the school, LGA Primary School, I'm here thanking the order that sent you people to this school to come and help these people. Thank you very much for helping them out. So many of them have no uniform, no sandal. This which you have started, I pray that other big men in our place here should follow your footsteps and come and help them out. Thanks for coming, and we expect more from you.
Thank you.
Foundation.